Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. You all are keeping yourself safe. Welcome to Explore More and Learn. Today's video can be very interesting for you as it is related to the words which we use in our day-to-day life without knowing the difference of their meaning. So let's start this video quickly. It's about house versus home. These words seem to be the same, right? But they are different from each other and we often interchange their meaning. So let's find out the difference between house and home. First of all, you should know the meaning. House means a building for habitation. Habitation means a place of residence. It is a building made for people to live in. It is a dwelling place, a place where we live. Okay, it's about house. When we talk about a house, we refer to a physical structure. We refer to a physical location. A house cannot always be a home. So what is a home? A home is a building where you live with a sense of belonging with your family. It is a place where you live with your family or with your loved ones with a sense of belongings. That means when you have a sense about a place that this place belongs to you or you belong to that place, that becomes your home. So it's not necessary that it should be a building. It can be anything like a tent, an underground cave, a pipeline, anything where you feel safe, comfortable, emotionally attached, where you feel free, where you feel loved, where you feel emotionally connected, where you find care, affection. That place becomes your home. Got it? A house will always be a house, whether somebody lives there or not, as it is a building. But a house becomes a home when we have a sense of belonging, when we feel that this place belongs to us or we belong to this place. You got it? When you feel emotionally connected, it can be a tent, it can be a house, it can be some other place also for which you have a sense of belonging. It can be your town also. It can be a place where you were born. It can be a place where you spent your childhood. That's why we use hometown also. You got it? Now I'll give you a few examples. Okay, for house and home. I bought a new house. As I told you, when we use house, we refer to a physical structure, physical location. I bought a new house. My house is in Delhi. I want to go home. So here we are talking about a place where we feel comfortable, safe, secure, emotionally attached, free. A place for which we have a sense of belonging. So I want to go home. And remember one more thing I would like to add here. We never use to here before home, but we use to before house. I want to go home. We love our sweet home. So we always use sweet. Why? Because there is an emotional connection there. That's why we use sweet with home. Okay? As you might have heard, that our home is where our heart is, right? So it is related with our emotions. So what is the difference? I'll tell you in short. House is a concrete concept, but home is an abstract concept. You got it? Because here when we talk about a house, we refer to a physical location, a structure, a building. But when we talk about a home, it is abstract because we are talking about emotions. We are talking about our feelings. which are attached to a home. So we make a house a home when we find an attachment there, when we live there with our loved ones. That's why a home is an abstract concept. House is a material thing. Why? I'll tell you. And home is an emotional thing. Like our emotions are connected with our home. Why is it a material thing? Because you can buy a house, but you cannot buy a home. You got it? That's why house is a material thing. It is made of bricks and cement and other things. But a home is made of love, care, sense of belongings, emotions and feelings. That's why house is a material thing, but home is not a material thing. House is a physical structure and home is a building. It can be a tent, boat, an underground cave, or a place where you live with a sense of belonging. Okay, so this is the difference between house and home. I hope you have got it. If you have liked this video, then please press like and don't forget to share. And if you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe by pressing subscribe button below. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. And if you wanna get more material, then don't forget to join this channel as a member. Very soon I'll bring another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.